pharmacy technician career is a combination of many things. It's not selling medication. You have to know what you have in your hand, the interaction of the medications, the diseases, how to deal with pharmacies, with other customers, with nurse. You have the hands-on activities here in the class, but you have to learn the theory first and combine with that. I try to invite them to discover inside what exactly they want to do in their life. It's not only to study because I want to make money or I want a job to survive. They have to discover themselves through the career. FEI is special because the people. It's not only material, it's not only courses. We have to be in touch with the students. We have to know about their life. We are guiding them to the new world. We are connected. All the instructors looking the new way to teach, the new way to develop techniques in order to give it to them the best option for their future.